guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Buzo Erebute here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to easily carve your brow to maintain the size and also the fullness. How to carve your brow so that you don't make it tiny. So I already did this side without recording. I didn't know it wasn't recording, so I'll be showing you on the other side how to carefully carve this brow so that you can see how full it is and you can see the difference. So what you want to do is take your spoolie brush and brush it out, brush everything upward so that you see where there are excesses. Start from the down, start picking the hairs from the down so that you don't make mistake. Always take each line before another. You can see how easily I am carving it. Then you go to the top and do the same thing, just easy so that you don't injure your clients or your model. Take your brush again, brush it and see how or where there are still excesses. So depending on how long the hairs are, you might need to brush down and then cut or carve out the excess long hair. But in this case, we won't be doing that because her brow hairs are normal, like the length is normal. You don't need to reduce. All you need to do is the sides. If you're new to this channel, do well to like this video, share to your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe on the notification button so that you'll be notified when next I post a video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming, and don't forget to share this video, like and share them. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.